Don't run him over. Just keep on going so you can get the ball. Jimmy?
Forward.
Don't back up over the dog, you hurt it. Yeah, right here looks like a good spot. Jimmy.
Watch where you're going.